Alright guys, I think Mother Nature got a little mad at me because she, like, made it start pouring when I was filming nature when I'm not supposed to do that because that's her business, I guess. Oh. Oh yeah. And usually I'd be like, oh, she won't find out, but Mother Nature knows all. Isn't Mother Nature like married to God or something? I don't know. Oh, this is great. This is actually the most rain we've had all year. 2012. I should taunt Mother Nature, just be like, Mother Nature's not gonna, she, be like, make it where it seems like where she can only do light thunder, and then she'd be like, oh, I'll show you. But then again, Mother Nature's capable of having lightning strike down on you, or maybe that's God. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments. Come on. I don't want to stop the video because... Hold on. I don't want to stop the video because I feel like if I do, then I'll miss videotaping a loud clap of thunder. Well, that could be Mother Nature's way of taunting me. Come on. Please, let's hear a loud clap of thunder. Let's hear a loud clap of thunder. Loud clap of thunder. Loud clap of thunder. Loud clap of thunder. Come on, guys. Chant with me. Medium. Not as loud as it could have gone, though. But of course, Wyoming, I don't think it's that loud of thunder. I went fast. See, now it's like light over there, and then over there it's like darker. If it rains like this all night, holy crap. I hope it does, but I mean, we'll have some major flooding if it rains like this. I mean, even this little rain, I think, can cause a lot of flood if oh well, it just stopped. Huh. Isn't that weird how nature works? Like, it rains, pours, and then it just stops suddenly. There we go, picking up. Oh, there we go. I know it's hard to see, guys. Oh, nope, that's not gonna help at all. Everyone should just think at the same moment, be like, oh, come on, Mother Nature, you're more than that. Mother Nature, she can do a louder clap than that. She doesn't have to just do soft claps. I'd like to see her do her best, which nothing is her best because, well, I mean, she can do better I don't know what her best is, never mind. I mean, just saying she's amazing. Disagree on that, huh? I know it's dark out, guys, and this is a pointless video because you can't see nothing. I'm just trying to wait for a loud clap or something. Let's see. Like that. Oh, well, Mother Nature's done, I think, anyways. Are you done, Mother Nature? Maybe not. Mother Nature, is that the best you could do? Is that the best you could do, Mother Nature? Oh, no, it just moved all the way over there. It's not even that far now. I mean, it's not that close now, or it was. It's pretty far now, actually. You can go out now, I think. Watch, now that I came outside, it's going to start pouring again. Which I wouldn't mind, because our grass needs it. So do our hedges. It actually helps Earth become a greener. So it's actually really good for it to have. But then what about global warming? I mean, I don't believe in it, but you never know. But Mother Nature, Mother Nature, Mother Nature. Oh, did you guys see that? Another thing, I know people freak out about global warming, but I'm pretty sure it's just Mother Nature's way of taking care of things, you know? Mother Nature will fix everything, I'm pretty sure. Whoa! Oh, I don't know what happened there. Thought like someone got in a car accident or something. Do your best, Mother Nature, do your best. Do your best, Mother Nature, do your best. Do your best, Mother Nature. This is a pointless video, guys, I know that, but I'm trying to capture a loud clap of thunder, but I just can't seem to do that. I can clap like like bright lightning, but that's about it. Mother Nature just must really suck, huh, guys? She can't do a loud clap. I'm just kidding, she can. She's beautiful. My sister never came outside with me like she said she was. Get by while I went off to bed. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh. Ooh. 8 minutes of really nothing, because I mean you can't really see it, can you? Oh, it's bright. Yeah, alright, you guys see that? Yeah. They shouldn't be driving a plane in this weather. Oh, maybe that's why, because it's... I realized how close it was zoomed in. Turn the light off now. No, I think Mother Nature is just about done. Well, it's another part of Wyoming's problem now. It's moving out that way, I believe. I don't know. No, I think it's moving that way, because if you see over there, it's dark. You can't see. Never know. What am I talking about? Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Whoa, hold on. Okay, then. Oh, wait, hold on. Not just quite, not just quite just yet, guys. Let's get back inside though. That has been fun, hasn't it? Bright. Brightness. Yeah, it's over there. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think it's just about done. Just about done. Where's my cell phone? Crap. Thanks for watching.